In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to n8n step by step. We'll keep it simple and beginner-friendly, and by the end, you'll have a working connection you can reuse in any workflow. If you're new to n8n, think of it as a visual automation tool where you build flows using nodes. The Google Drive node lets your workflows upload, read, or manage files in your drive once it's authenticated. Start by opening your browser and logging into your n8n account. From the dashboard, click Create Workflow. This opens a fresh canvas where you'll build and test everything. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first node, then type Google Drive into the search bar. Select the Google Drive node from the list. Adding it here doesn't connect anything yet. It just places the tool you'll authorize next. With the Google Drive node selected, look over to the node settings and click Create New Credential. This is where n8n securely stores the authorization to your Google account. A Google sign-in window will open. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them so the window can appear. Choose your Google account, then click Allow to grant n8n access to your Google Drive. These permissions let n8n perform actions you choose within your workflows, and you can manage or revoke access later from your Google account if needed. After authorization, return to n8n and make sure the new credential is selected in the node's credentials dropdown. This confirmation ensures the node knows which account to use. Next, choose any operation to verify the connection, such as upload. We're not building a full automation yet. This is just a quick check that the link to Google Drive is active. Once you've selected the operation, click Execute Node. n8n will run that node on its own and display the results in the panel. If you see a successful response, you're good to go. If you run into an authentication error, double-check that the correct credential is selected and that the Google authorization completed. When everything runs successfully, click Save. This preserves your workflow and the credential setup so you don't have to repeat the connection each time. From here, you're ready to start chaining nodes together and building real automations that move files, back up data, or trigger actions based on drive activity. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.